Now, if you came looking for a one-word English equivalent for this Hindi and Urdu term, then I'm afraid you may be disappointed, and that's because the word awqat is etymologically Middle Eastern because it comes from Arabic, while sociolinguistically it is South Asian. This is why Western languages don't exactly offer a one-word equivalent for this. Sure, one may think of the words status, worth, rank, standing, and so on, but these are more neutral in nature and lack that aggressive stance that the word awqat possesses. So instead of using a single word, English expresses the same aggressive idea more figuratively with the use of the word place very frequently, along with many other phrases that vary with the context. आइए examples के साथ ही concept clear करते हैं, starting with the classic अपनी औकात में रहो, which translates to know your place, or watch yourself, or don't forget your place. Here's the sentence. अगर वो अपनी औकात में रहता तो आज भी यहाँ काम कर रहा होता. If he had known his place, he would still be working here. And a slightly less harsh one, if he hadn't overstepped his bounds, he would still be working here. On to the second one, तुम्हारी औकात क्या है, which is commonly and non-literally translated as who do you think you are? Here's the sentence. तुम्हारी औकात क्या है जो तुम मुझे ठीक से पेश आने के लिए कहो? Who do you think you are telling me how to behave? On to the third one. लगता है तुम्हें तुम्हारी औकात याद दिलानी पड़ेगी. Looks like I'll have to put you back in your place. Another sentence. प्यार की भाषा वो समझता नहीं, लगता है उसे उसकी औकात याद दिलानी पड़ेगी. You can't get through to him with kindness. Guess it's time to put him back in his place. Coming to the fourth one. तुम्हारी औकात है मुझसे ये सवाल करने की. Know your place before you even think of questioning me. Or you're nowhere in my league to be questioning me. Or in the same interrogative tone as the original sentence, where do you get off thinking you can question me? Now, where do you get off is a very native usage that indicates तुम्हारी इतनी हिम्मत, or even तुम होते कौन हो. So while it doesn't precisely match औकात, it matches the tone for sure. Here's another one. तुम होते कौन हो मुझे judge करने वाले. Where do you get off judging me when you don't even know me? Then we come to the fifth one. दिखा दीना अपनी औकात. There you go, showing your true colors. Or knew you'd show your true colors eventually. Or can't hide your true class, can you? Or and there it is, the real you. Number 6. औकात की बात मत करो. Don't bring up that whole know your place crap. Or don't start with that who's above who nonsense. Or cut it with the know your place talk. On to number 7. ये घर मेरी औकात से बाहर है. This house is out of my league. That's the humbler version. And then you have the more direct one. This house is more than I could ever afford. Number 8. ये लेने की औकात है तुम्हारी? Is it even in your league? Or you think you can afford this? And then finally a ninth one.